my name is Zainab and thank you. And today I'm going to show you how to do different graphic eyeliner looks using these bad boys. I have a bunch of colors here and I have some inspo from Instagram and we're going to try different looks. So stay tuned. Okay, first look that I want to try is this Kylie Jenner look. It's very simple. It's just 3 lines. So let's go ahead and start with this one. And I'm going to use these Glam Vice liners, retro liner. وهذا اللون spandex. And this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna use this brush also from Glam Vice. ما أدري شنو اسمها, نسيت اسمها, but it's a very thin liner brush. These eyeliners are water activated. So you need to have water. Usually, you can put water in the lid and then just put it on the brush and activate the liner. Okay, so بس رح نرسم خط كذي. كنا بنرسم eyeliner بس ما نكمله. كذي. Okay. And then رح نرسم خط هني. Like so. Because they're water activated, تقدرون تمسحونه بسرعة, يعني مو مشكلة إذا دمرته, بس كيوتب مع ماي ويروح. And then نرسم تحت العين. You can like do different variations and play around with them. الله, كأني بحطه على رموش اللي تحت. بس that's pretty much the look. Now let's do the other eye and put mascara. Allah, it's so cute. بس ما أبي أكثر وايد مسكرة لأن أبي الخط يبين. I want it to be very simple. Okay, قاعدة أحط اللون على رموشي اللي تحت. And that's it. الله, حبيت يشوق. Okay, الحين we're gonna move on to the second look. I want to try this look. بس هي مسويتها بالأصفر. أنا أبي أجرب لون ثاني فراح أسوي orange. So let's begin. Which orange? I think I'm gonna do hot pants. A lot matches my polish. Okay, so we're gonna activate it.
1 hour later.
Add as much water as you want. أنا أحب I add it to the brush شوي شوي and just swirl it around till I get the consistency اللي يعجبني. Okay, so أول شيء I'm gonna start with the bigger line because I'm honestly kind of nervous about it, so I just want to get it out of the way. What I'm gonna do is راح أشوف الcrease مالي, or I'm gonna feel for the bone, and I'm gonna use that as the reference. I always use my pinky to stabilize my hand, especially with these liners. Okay, I'm happy with it. Tani, هني. I'm also gonna use هالبون هذه. لا. Okay. Bismillah. You know what? It's not perfect, but it's okay. I'm fine with it. The final line. I'm gonna start it هني and we're gonna swoop it out. Oh, did I do it? There we go. Allah, it's cute. Okay, now we have to do the other eye. So لما تسوونهم at home, لا ترسمون the 3 lines مرة واحدة. I would personally recommend so مثلا 1 line here and then draw it on the other eye, and then the second line here and then the other eye. راح يصير أسهل. أحس what's fun with these graphic eyeliners is that يعني you can honestly just make them your own. يعني حتى لو تشوفون look يعجبكم تقدرون تغيرون فيه and just make it your own. Okay, now the swoop. And there we have it. Okay, so الحين we're gonna move on to the third look. هذا اللوك inspired by أبرار بنت عمي اللي هو كان black liner with البينك داخل. Let's get started. For this look I'm gonna use a liquid liner وراح استخدم الcolor roller skate. Okay, so راح أبلش بالblack eyeliner. راح أسوي winged eyeliner using التكنيك اللي I talked about before. وراح أمد الwing وايد لأن we want it to be dramatic. Okay, I think this is good. انزين بعدين ما نبلش من البوينت، نبلش شوية before the point and then I'm gonna go اوكي. الحين من داخل مو عاجبني وايد لانه دمر وصار شويه مو مرتب، بس عادي راح ارتبه ب Q-tip و makeup remover. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye. Now we're gonna use roller skate and we're gonna activate it. Okay, I'm gonna start here. All right, now hold my breath again. I think I'm just gonna stop it here. يعني بس من النص ما ودي أكمله لقدام، أحس أحلى كذي. All right, we like her. Now we're gonna do other eye. I think they're sisters. I think we're good. So this is gonna be a hybrid of Abrar's look and Nora's look with the dots, except it's gonna be on steroids because I'm using glitter. هذا من نفس البراند. And this is Funfetti glitter. It comes, it's loose glitter. So you have to be very careful with it because it comes like this. You have to be very careful with it. Be very careful with it. فأنا شو أسوي؟ I pick the big ones, the chunky ones, and I'm gonna put them around my eye. And I use this Kryolan gel to apply the glitter and make it stick. I just put a little dot of gel on my hand. أستخدم الفرشة نفسها مالت الايلاينر. I use the back. I get the gel and راح أحط الجل بالأماكن اللي أبي أحط الglitter pieces. So راح أسوي واحدة هني، واحدة هني، واحدة هني، واحدة هني. And then okay, now we're gonna do the other eye. نفس الشيء، نفس الطريقة. الجل اللي بإيدي أخذه with the back of the brush and then I just dot wherever أبي أحط الglitter. I put the gel and then boop. And there we have it. Okay, بعدل على الحمرة and I'm gonna use Kim Kardashian's Nude 3 and Radiate Lip Gloss. Usually لما تسوون look وايد شي مينون or like colorful On the eyes خلوا باقي الوجه basic و simple والlips nude preferably. And of course I have to go with the gloss. And there you have it. All right, so this is the final look. I personally think this is my favorite, of course, because it's super extra. Let me know what your favorite look was and what other recommendations you would like me to try or color variations for the future. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching, and we're out. بس خلاص.